So as you can see, the water has turned red, which is a very good thing. So I'll just mix this up a little. Are you okay there, Mia?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Can't wait to eat it.
Oh yeah, my mouth is just like whoop.
So just like when you cook regular rice in the rice cooker, you have to measure the cups of rice the same as the water that you need to put into the rice. Okay, so I'm going to scoop here 6 cups using the measuring cup for the rice. Here I am. Make sure you don't cook the red rice with the seeds because it's yeah,
just no.
So that is why I'm straining the topi with my mini strainer. Atoti came from the Spanish word achorte. It's a coloring seed that we use. Yeah.
I learn something new every day.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm from here.
So actually, we have a lot of Chamorro words that derived from the Spanish language because they lived here in the Marianas Islands for about 2,000 years. So imagine the influence they have on us, right?
What? From our last names to our food, our religion.
Exactly.
What's so interesting about red rice, Jen?
Mm-hmm.
The fact that it's called red rice, but
Orange,
it's actually orange. So when I was young, I would never say red rice. I would actually say orange rice, and everybody thought I was weird. But I thought everybody else was weird.
I don't think you're the only one.
You think so? But I honestly think that Agulto seeds, it makes all the difference in the world. I actually tried some red rice made on island where you can really tell that it was not Agulto seeds that they used. It was just food coloring.
Oh.
It had no flavor whatsoever, and I was really disappointed.
Yep. Red rice is not red rice. It won't taste right. That's true without the Agulto seed.
Exactly.
And you have to be careful too and not make the color too red because the bitterness
Oh, that's true.
of the seed can like
You just gotta get the right amount.
yeah, so right